Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy K Smalls. Yeah guys, it's the start of a new week. Let's analyze the market and see what it holds for us. Before I jump into the market, guys, I want us to look at the trades that we analyzed the other day. We saw this is US30. I was aiming for entry from this side, and then we were able to catch that entry, went up with it, and then our TP was here. We can see it started reversing there. But without wasting any more time, guys, let's jump into the chart and see what exactly we're going to be catching this week when it comes to the market, guys. So this is gold. I'm going to start by analyzing US30. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to remove all the drawings and start analyzing US30 from scratch, guys. So basically, guys, every time when I analyze the market, this is what I do. Let me do this. It's on full screen. Yes. So every time when I analyze the market, this is what I do. I always specify my highest zones and the lowest zones. So right now, where is my highest point? My highest point is here. Where's my lowest point? My lowest point should be here. So after doing this, what I need to do is to specify the zones, basically where the market touches, the market reverses. Where the market touches, the market gives us the big movement. So I'm going to be specifying all those zones. All those zones, they're helping me to catch all those entries that I always get. So this is the zones. We can see the market touch there and give us a big movement. They touch this line and give us a big movement going to the upside. We can see here they touched it and gave us a reversal there. I can even post this one here as well. I'm on a higher time frame, which is a weekly time frame right now at the moment. If you're asking yourself where I am, I'm going to specify this one as my last zone. Basically, let me check if I'm not missing any. We can see there's another one here. Basically, let me just put that as well, because I think that's where the market is lingering right now at the moment. So without wasting any more time, here's another one, which is this one. I think I've specified a lot of zones when it comes to the weekly time frame. Let's jump into the daily time frame and see exactly what our trend is holding for us. We had a bigger trend. I'm not going to entertain that bigger trends that we had. I'm going to entertain the one that I'm seeing right now, which is the new trend, basically. So the new trends that I'm seeing is this one. We can see the market has created a new trend, which is coming from this level, task one. We're seeing the second touch. We saw a third touch exactly on top of the zone there. We can even fix this zone a little bit here just to make sure it matches this here, or we can leave it exactly where it was, because this is where our zones are. Because yeah, let me just remove this. If I connect the trend to the top side as well, we can see this is basically a sort of a triangle pattern. It's a bigger triangle pattern wedge, so we can expect the market to go and break it to the upside or the downside. So this one has a bias of breaking to the upside or a downside. If we break to the upside, so the TP is going to be calculated just like this. So I think the TP will go straight to give us a new all-time high when it comes to US30. But yeah, guys, it's not going to take 2 minutes to do this or a day to do that. It's going to take more time to do that, guys. So while we're seeing our bigger time frame is giving us this kind of a pattern, I can see there's also a pattern inside a pattern, which is a trend inside a trend. I can even connect this one like this, connect this one like this, and then with this line I can see that I'm getting a falling wedge. And inside a falling wedge, I always see a falling wedge always break to the upside. And when we see this falling wedge, if we break outside this falling wedge, we're going to see the TP coming to this level, and this level will start giving us a momentum to go even further to the upside. But nonetheless, where are we going to get our entries? Because right now I'm getting like buying positions. Basically, my trading strategy is telling me that all I need to do right now is to look for buying opportunities here. So if I'm going to be looking for buying opportunities, I see this level here, which is very, very important, guys. So this is an important level that I'm going to be looking at. So if we play around this zone, above this zone, I'm expecting the market to do something like this. So they will be playing around this zone, come back. Once they touch this level, then I'll enter my buying position to go up with it up until here. Then they'll be breaking my falling wedge. Once they broke my falling wedge, then I wait for a retest again before I enter another trade. If they break above this structure, then I'll enter my trades when they retest this line again. You see how these lines are helping me right now to know exactly where I'm going to be executing my trades. So this is basically my trading plan at the moment. If I jump over to the lower time frame, what am I going to be seeing when it comes to the low time frame, guys? So the lower time frame is still telling me that I should be expected buying position basically. So what I need to do is to clean the chart, go down with it, and check where my entries are, guys. So I can even say, let me see if this trend basically, yeah, I can connect this trend, but we can see the trend has been broken out, never got retested. So but yeah, my buying position here is basically under this level. So if the market comes back to this level, this is where I'm going to be buying a lot, because I can regard this as my head and shoulder, invest in head and shoulder. We can see this is my shoulder, and then this is my head, this is my right shoulder. So and you know, when where the TP for that invest in head and shoulder, we know this is how we calculate it. We calculate it like this. Once it had that, this is where it's going to get. So once it reaches this point, this is the verge of breaking out to the top side. And if I see a breakout to the top side, this is where I'm going to be increasing my trades. But right now, I'm waiting for the market to come and test this level before I entertain buying any position, guys. So let me go down with this to a 30 minutes chart and see exactly what is happening. I just want to be quick when I'm analyzing this thing, guys. I know you guys know how to do these things, guys. So here's another level. We opened the market with a gap. They came back and tested that level. Right now they're busy going to the upside. So if you want to entertain selling opportunities right now, what I'll suggest you to do is to mark this zone here. Wait for the market to come and play above this zone. So because right now we can see the market is basically playing within this zone. So right now you wait for the market to come. Once they touch this zone here, you know that you're going to be coming back down with them again here. If they break it down, they'll retest, and then you know that once they touch here, this is where you start with your buying position, guys. So my buying positions will start from this zone, this level. So this is basically my trading plan. I say if I want to look for selling opportunities, I wait for the market to come and touch here. Once the market touches here, I'm going to be selling, and then up until somewhere here. If they break out, come back and retest, I'll increase my selling position. But my buying positions are basically on this level. This is where I'm going to be buying my trade, because the overall opportunity is telling me that I need to buy up until to the top side and wait for them to come and break out from here. But right now, I'm giving you another scenario of saying if you want to sell right now, because the market is basically playing within this channel here. So the zones that is creating in this here is basically will give us an opportunity to trade. Today, we won't see any movement when it comes to the market because it's a holiday when it comes to USA. So yeah, guys, so wait for the market to come, hit this level. This is where you will start selling. So let me put it like this. So you sell from this level up until this level, and then you buy from this level, and then you go up with it. So this is basically my trading plan. The reason for my buy, you know that I said my buying position is basically a head and shoulder that is formed here. We have a left shoulder here, we have a head, we have a right shoulder here. Once they touch the right shoulder, but we can see they basically retested it here. You know, they broke it out, retested it once, but right now they're playing it within that zone there. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame and see. You know, you can play around this thing. This is how I analyze the market each and every day, guys. So if you want to play around this, you can just put trends inside your trends, you know, just to analyze. But yeah, this one doesn't work for me, so I'm just gonna take it off. But yeah, you understand the vibe, guys. You understand the vibe. So this is basically the trading plan. We have a clear buying opportunities under the zone. We have a clear selling opportunities under the zone. But you know, once you put your selling opportunity, you know your stop loss will be somewhere there. Because if they break out here, they'll continue to go to the top side. If they come back here, you know that you're gonna milk them hard because they only touch this zone once, guys. So They touched it once with that gap. Right now they are reversing. They came back and touched that level here that I drew. Then they will go up. Once they come back here again, you can scalp with them up until they break out this channel, because this channel, whatever I did here, you can see they'll be playing around this channel. So without wasting any more time, I think that's it when it comes to US30. What other currency pairs should I analyze, guys? When it comes to US30, we can see that we analyze this. By Friday, you guys will be knowing that how the market is going to be playing out, because I'll send and record another video for you guys and see how it goes. So without wasting any more time, let's analyze what other currency pairs should I analyze. If we go to gold, guys, when it comes to gold, I still think the analysis that we made the other day is still relevant, because when we were analyzing gold, we caught gold under this line. We said they're gonna come back and touch this line here. Once they touch this level, this is where we're gonna be seeing gold going up, down to the bottom side. If they break out here, you increase your position until here. So once they are here, this is where our buying position are going to be. But since, because we can see the trend line is not corresponding straight with our zone lines, so I will expect maybe if it touches the trend line, you can enter if you have a bigger account. But I will advise you to say wait for it to come and touch the zone line, because the zone lines are the ones that are very powerful, guys. So when it comes to gold, we're waiting for it to come and touch the zone line. Once they touch the zone lines, we will start buying our position with gold. So right now with gold, I'm expecting buying positions. So since I don't want this video to be long, I'm going to stop it right here. Right now, we know that with gold, we're expecting buying positions at the moment, but we'll analyze it on the next video, when we are going to be analyzing for NFP, towards NFP, maybe on Wednesday and Friday morning. So as that's it from me, guys. Thank you for watching this one. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with other guys who want to learn how to analyze the market like I do. That's it for me. Bye bye.